Hi, my name is Jared Reyes, and I invent documentation with an awesome group of developers at Twilio. Today I'm going to walk you through how to build SMS ETA notifications in Ruby and Rails. ETA notifications are an easy way to update your customers as a company or service on the status of their order or delivery. So if you've ever gotten a text from Uber saying your driver's arriving, this is a great example of ETA notifications in action. First, let's take a look at our finished product. What we're going to be building is ETA notifications for a fictional laundry app called Laundrio. In this example, Laundrio will send an SMS when the delivery person picks up the laundry and when they are arriving with clean and folded laundry. So to do this, we've created a lightweight interface for the delivery person. Here we can look at the current open orders and the status of those orders. At every point in the delivery process, we want to be sure to notify the customer. So if the delivery person clicks pick up, we will let the customer know that they're on their way. And if she clicks arriving, we will send an SMS telling our customers that their laundry is arriving now. In a real-life situation, these notifications would probably be triggered by background activity like GPS of the delivery person or car, or scanning a barcode for delivery. It most likely wouldn't require a manual button push, but for our use, this is just fine. Now let's take a look at how we built the ETA notifications example application. So first, let's take a look at that orders controller that's running behind this interaction. When a delivery person clicks pick up, we're going to send initial notification letting the user, the customer, know that their order is on its way. And then when the delivery person is arriving either with GPS or in our case by clicking a button, we'll then send another delivery notification letting them know that their laundry is arriving now. Both of these methods rely on the message sender class, which we actually call in the notify method. So let's actually take a look at what that message sender class is doing. So we know that we're going to define a message sender class. And inside this class, we're going to need an initialization method and a send message. Inside the initialization method, we're going to want to pull up our Twilio credentials, an account SID and the Twilio auth token. We'll store both of these in environment variables. And with those variables, we'll initialize a Twilio REST client, which will allow us to send messages or make phone calls or do really anything with the REST API. In this case, we'll be sending an SMS. So inside of send message, we'll write client account messages create, and we need to pass it 4 properties in this instance. From property, which is the phone number that will be sending the message, to property, which is the phone number that will be receiving the message, the body of the message, and in this case a status callback that will update our order status. We also need the send message method to be accessible outside of this class, so we'll just create a reference to that method. Now when the delivery person triggers the HTTP post request to our controllers, we will send a message in both cases with a callback that will update the order status and the notification status. And if we take a look at this controller, we'll see that the notification status is indeed set to the message status parameter sent back to us in the Twilio response that we got back thanks to the handy callback property we set on our outgoing API call. And with that, we've just implemented a core feature of the ETA notifications from scratch. If you'd like to see the data model, the interface markup, or any other scaffolding for this application, visit twilio.com/docs/tutorial and look for the ETA notifications app in Ruby on Rails or one of 6 other languages and frameworks. And there you can take a more in-depth tutorial, browse important app files, check out the entire application on GitHub, and have your own ETA notification sample app running immediately. Thanks for checking out this video, and we look forward to seeing you on the new tutorials.